do it 5 days a week, to have 8 children in your care, it was like very difficult, you know. Demand has increased substantially over the years, especially in recent years, but as of year one, to be honest, we had a waiting list on nearly all of our rooms, and we currently have 6 rooms, and we have a waiting list where some parents are been on it for 6-8 months. Yeah, our business plan when we first opened was to, as we have 6 rooms, to fill 2 in the first year, 4 in the second year, and 3 in the third year. However, by the end of year one, all 6 rooms were full. We were delighted, and they've been full since. The difficulty in recent years is there's an increased demand for places, but there's a decreased demand for jobs by staff. And that's our biggest issue at the moment. Because it's a young person's game, it's become a young person's game, in that I've read in the newspaper that that young men and women will only stay in childcare for about 5 years, and then they'll move on to another job, because it's basically a low-paid job. I find the staff amazing in the work they do, because it can, one of your readers or viewers imagine minding 8 children. Like, I have children of my own, 4 boys, and managing 4 of those is like difficult enough. But to do it 5 days a week, to have 8 children in your care, it was like very difficult, you know. I think that what we need is a government investment, a coherent plan. The government currently invests, I believe it's 0.2% of GDP into early child care, while the European average is 0.8 percent of GDP. So we are investing 1/4 of the European average in childcare. So I really believe that the government needs to invest in childcare facilities and everything that goes around, kind of scaffold around them, so that not only the resources, that we have enough resources, but we need administration. And there's not only we don't only need teachers, we need a background administration and guidance.